Your phone buzzes at 7 a.m. The principal wants to see you because explicit images are circulating at school. Your chest tightens. What do you do first?
Welcome to Danni's Den. I'm Danni, and today we'll walk through what to say, what to preserve, and how to keep family routines steady while you sort this out. Let's chat. Quick promise up front. I'll give plain language legal basics, 3 copy-paste scripts you can use at the kitchen table, practical first steps if the school or police show up, and a short music moment to help kids process emotions without more lecture. First, consent and age. Consent isn't just a yes or no, it's about capacity and context. A 16-year-old in a mutual relationship with another 16-year-old is usually treated differently than a 16-year-old texting a 21-year-old. That age gap changes the legal framing fast. In many places, the older partner can face statutory issues. That alone makes a lot of parents freeze. Picture this, a 17-year-old swapping messages with a 24-year-old. Different ballgame, different stakes.
Sexting complicates things because an image can trigger 2 separate tracks. Schools handle conduct, bullying, harassment, code of conduct violations. Police look at whether images meet criminal definitions under child protection laws. Both can happen simultaneously, and both matter for a teen's future.
Family court focuses on the child's best interests, safety, stability, and parental fitness. So what happens at school or in criminal court can ripple into custody or parenting time disputes if those authorities conclude there's a safety issue. Okay, what can you say and do right away at home? Start by lowering the temperature. I'm not here to punish you. I want to understand so I can help keep you safe. That line opens a door rather than slamming it shut.
Here are 3 copy-paste scripts you can use verbatim. First, if you discover images today, I need you to stay calm. Don't delete anything. Show me the message now, and we'll take screenshots together. Short, factual, hands-on.
Second, a kitchen table line to avoid shame and get facts. I'm worried about your safety and your future. Tell me who was involved and when this happened. We'll figure this out together. Use it without anger. Teens respond to tone more than words. Third, if a peer pressures your child, say no, screenshot the message, and come tell me. I've got your back. Short, specific, and gives them an immediate, safe action. When your teen opens up, focus on fact-finding, not punishment. Ask who, when, where, and how did it spread. Write a timeline together. These notes are for facts, not for shaming, and they can be crucial if the school or police need a clear account. If the school contacts you, ask for written notice. Say, please provide the written allegation, the date it was reported, and the policy section you're invoking. That request puts the process on record and slows things down so you can prepare. If police get involved, pause. Politely tell officers you want to consult an attorney before answering detailed questions. Let adults handle legal strategy. Your child should not sign statements or consent forms without understanding the consequences. Practical evidence preservation, step by step. First, don't delete. Second, take photos of screens and device info. Third, ask for a written request if someone asks you to hand over a phone. These actions protect privacy while preserving proof. A quick, scriptable school meeting line. Before we proceed, I need the allegation in writing, the date of the report, and the names of witnesses. I also want a copy of the student code you're applying. Short and assertive, it keeps the meeting productive. Document everything, who you spoke with, when, and what was said. Email follow-ups are your friend. They create a time-stamped record. If you can, get legal advice quickly. Even a short consult can help you decide whether to push back or comply. Real talk. Most situations don't end up in court. Many are resolved with careful school meetings, counseling, or updated parenting agreements. The worst outcomes follow when adults overreact, shame kids, or take measures that push teens into secrecy. Now, family routines. Game days, team travel, tailgates, these are anchors. If drama flares, protect those rituals. Say, we're still going to the game. It helps keep things normal while we work this out. That message signals stability. If parents are separated, coordinate pickups and consider a neutral adult for certain outings. Judges look kindly on parents who document these safety steps. Showing you're proactive can matter if custody questions arise. I'll be honest, an Eagles tailgate or a Yankees game can feel therapeutic. Wearing the jersey says you're still part of the family team, even when relationships get messy. Small rituals are emotional glue.
Music moment. 3 tracks that often help teens name emotions without a lecture. Miss Jackson, a classic about apologies and messy feelings. X Factor by Lauryn Hill for deeper processing. And Hold On, We're Going Home by Drake, mellow and steady. Make a low drama playlist that's for being together, not for scolding.
Before we close, a tight checklist you can read once and keep in your pocket. Breathe, talk calmly, preserve devices, request written notices from the school, consult counsel if police are involved, protect routines. That's it. Short and actionable. If you want printable scripts from today's episode, check the show notes. And if you have a specific legal concern, I offer a free 30-minute consult. Email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book time and see if I can help.
Thanks for spending this time in Danni's Den. If this helped you feel more prepared, hit subscribe so these weekly mixes of law, love, sports, and music find you. Let's chat.